Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and opening the right panel. Make sure drivers are current. Outdated drivers cause instability. Once done, right-click your desktop and open Display Settings, then click Graphics Settings to add apps. Make sure your power plan is set to Balanced or High Performance in Control Panel. This affects GPU behavior. You need administrative rights. If prompted, accept. Now add the app or game executable you want to change and select it to edit GPU preference. Now you configure per app GPU preferences and deeper controls. Select the app you added, click Options, and pick High Performance to force the discrete GPU or Power Saving to keep the integrated unit active. This changes how Windows schedules workload, improving performance or battery life depending on choice. Once set, test the app. Use Task Manager to verify GPU usage. For advanced tuning, clock offsets, fan curves, or per application profiles, open NVIDIA Control Panel or AMD Radeon software and make finish by applying final tweaks and knowing how to recover. Change global settings like resolution and refresh rate in display settings, and toggle VSync or frame rate limits in your GPU control panel to reduce tearing. If stability fails, uninstall drivers with Display Driver Uninstaller and reinstall the latest stable package. This fixes many conflicts. Make sure to create a restore point before risky changes. If you still see problems, revert graphics settings or use System Restore. This gets you back to a work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.